Hello YouTube makeup lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to Be Lounge Makeup, I really hope that you guys stick around and subscribe for more videos. For today, I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing video for you guys. I got two items. One is a handbag and one is a keychain, and I wanted to share them both with you guys today. Of course, I'm going to show you both items, but for the handbag, I'm also going to tell you a little bit about why I ended up getting that bag. I went into Louis Vuitton to get one particular bag, and I came out with one completely different that wasn't even on my radar, but I'm so happy that I made that choice because I think for me, it was pretty much the best choice from the options for the purpose that I actually wanted. So we better get started with this Louis Vuitton unboxing. So first I'm gonna start with the handbag. And of course, like Louis Vuitton always does, they always put it all nicely in a box. And it's just the way that Louis Vuitton always does. You know, their packaging is just so beautiful. And this one I actually got at Bal Harbour in Miami Beach. I went with a friend of mine, wanted to go to, hadn't been to Bal Harbour in so many years. It is like a mall in Miami Beach that has like all the high-end brands. I mean, the whole mall. It's just like every single brand you want, you name it, shoes, handbags. It has Chanel, Dior. Well, Dior was inside Saks. I don't know if they had a full Dior store. They have like Jimmy Choo, Valentino, Balenciaga. I mean, they have everything. That mall has everything. The bag that I purchased is this one, and this is the Damier Ebene, and this is the Siena PM. I actually had seen the Siena a while back. I looked at it, I remember, before I got a Neverfull that I have, and I looked at it and I thought it was really, really pretty. They actually have it in the regular monogram, but it's a little bit different. The one that has kind of like the folding in the front is the one that is the Damier Ebene. Like I said, this is not really the bag that I went in to buy. It's not like I don't know that much about the Siena, but my idea for getting a bag, what I wanted was, I wanted a bag that was small. I wanted something that I could probably use, if I wanted to go out at night, casual. I don't mean like go out to like a wedding or anything like that. But if you're gonna go out to dinner with your friends, or you're gonna go to a movie, or you're gonna go to a bar or something, I wanted a bag that was smaller, not too small that I couldn't wear it during the day. Like I didn't want it too tiny, and I had to be crossbody. Those were the things that I was looking for. I also wanted it to be a classic color. I didn't want like a bright color. The last Louis Vuitton I got was a beautiful red color. So for this one, I just wanted something that I could wear with absolutely everything. I wanted a neutral color. I didn't want any fancy, funky, bright colors. And I actually went in to buy the Alma BB. I wanted the Alma BB in the black epi leather, and I also wanted to look at it in the Damier Ebene canvas. When I saw the Alma BB, it just looks so small, especially for me and like my body type. I just felt like the Alma BB was too small for me. Like my best friend who went with me, she's very, very petite, and on her, it looked so beautiful and so cute. But I felt like on me, I needed something a little bit bigger, and I also thought that it was a little too small. I thought that it was, yes, it's perfect to go out in the evening, and you can put in your keys, your wallet. You can actually fit a lot of stuff in the Alma BB. But then I thought, I wish it was a little bit bigger, because if I want to wear it during the day to go shopping, or if I'm going on a trip to go travel, I wanted something a little bit bigger. So the person who helped me just showed me this one. I didn't even ask for him. I just told him what I wanted. And this is the first bag that he popped up with. And I just was like, oh my God. So love it. I feel like it looks really big on screen. I just thought it was just so cute. But it is a good size that you can even wear it during the day. So, like I said, they also have it in the, I don't think they have it in a Damier Azur. I asked, they told me no. They do have it in the regular monogram, but the fold is not in the middle. The folds are like two folds on the corners, like here and here. And I actually like this one more. Another reason why I wanted the Damier Ebene was because it's the dark, very dark brown. And, it doesn't have that much wear and tear like the regular monogram. And that's kind of why, I mean, I have the Speedy 30 in the Damier Ebene, and that bag has just lasted so long. It's doing so good. I mean, I haven't had it all that much, but I've been using it and abusing it, and I wear it every single day. And that thing does not have one little stain. And like the regular Monogram, you see how the handles get dark? These handles just stay the same throughout pretty much the life of the bag, as of now that I know of and from what I've heard. So I was just really excited about this one. They don't have this one. I would have loved to even get this one in the black epi leather. It doesn't come in the black epi leather. You know, I just thought that the black epi leather is just such a really great print. So it has a strap. The strap is adjustable. The Alma BB strap is not adjustable. So that was another thing that kind of bugged me a little bit, because I wish it would have been a little bit lower from when it fell on me, like when it fell on my body when I would put it on crossbody. I wish it was a little bit lower. And then I wanted to go and adjust the strap just a tad, but the strap from the Alma BB is not adjustable, whereas this strap is. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 little holes that you can adjust the strap. Also love it, just like the Alma BB. I love how it also has a top handle, and of course I can also put on the crossbody. I kind of wanted to show you guys the size difference, putting the Siena PM next to my Speedy 30, and you can see how much bigger this Speedy is. Not only is it bigger in height, it's also bigger in width. So there you can kind of see the difference. I wish I had an Alma BB. I don't own one, so I can't show you the difference between this one and the Alma BB. But yeah, the Alma BB I think is like a lot smaller. And I also want to show you guys the size difference between the Siena and the Pochette Metis. So you kind of see like the size difference for reference, in case you have, you know, one of these bags that you kind of want to see the size difference. Look at it on the side. I think that this bag is just like perfect for travel. I'm going out of town. I'm going to go to Las Vegas, and I think this is the bag that I'm going to be taking with me, because it's going to be so comfy. The crossbody, maybe this one in the red that I just showed you, the Pochette Metis, just to kind of switch it up a bit. But I'm just really excited about this. One thing I did like about the Alma BB that this one doesn't have, I believe it has like the little feet at the bottom. I think the Alma BB has the feet, and this one doesn't. So that was a really good that's a really good thing that the Alma BB has. Another bag that I had debated to get was a Speedy 25 in the epi leather, but I just have so many Speedies that I did want to try like a different, you know, just like a different model. So I thought this was just like really cute. So let me just show you. This is the front. In the front is where it says the Louis Vuitton Paris. The back also has a little flap, but it doesn't say anything on it. Also has the little fold, which I think is what makes the bag. The inside is the red, so it's a really pretty red, and as you can see, it looks like it fits a lot of stuff in there. So it's a really nice, you know, space. It has 3 pockets. So it has 2 pockets on this side, 1 and 2, and then on the other side it has the big pocket right there. So and yeah, and then there you see like the sign, but it's like the really pretty red interior of the bag. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Did I show you guys the bottom? So I'm just really excited, and of course I love it because I think this bag will look very cute with a strap or just held as a top handle. And I usually just go for such big purses. I'm always into like the big bag. I have the Neverfull GM, my Speedies are the 30. So like now I'm just trying to get bags that are a little bit smaller, just so that I can use them more for like the weekends and the evening, or just when I don't want to carry my big fat bag, which those are my favorite. The big bags are my favorite. The Speedy 30s are my favorite, but I really just didn't have any really nice smaller bags. Maybe this one you would say is a little bit more of a medium, but it is the PM one. But yeah, I just think it's like a pretty decent size. And what I like about it is that since it's not so small, I think it becomes a lot more versatile and you can use it a little bit more. So the second item I bought, I actually got that one today. I wanted to go buy a little wallet. I usually have the really long rectangular wallets, but I wanted a very small one. Not even the wallet. I would have been happy with that coin purse, the zippy that has a zipper around that you can just put a couple credit cards, some cash. You can even put change, or even like the really little wallets, just something small, like for travel or when I carry my smaller bags so that I don't have to carry the big rectangular wallet. But all the ones I wanted, they did not have at the store. Today I went to the one inside Saks Fifth Avenue at Dayland Mall. So I didn't have the rectangular wallet. I mean, they didn't have a small wallet that I wanted. They didn't have the coin purse, but they did have the keychain, which I was gonna get that eventually, but I just ended up getting it now because they had it in the, so it came in a cute little box, and I wanted it in the Damier Ebene, the 6-key key ring case or whatever it is that you call it. And it looks like this. I think it's really, really pretty. It's the, you know, the Damier Ebene canvas, but inside it has the really pretty rose ballerine. So I'm really excited. I like the pink one better than the red. Yes, my 2 Damier Ebene bags inside have the red, and normally, yes, you would want it to match, but I just don't like the red. You know, here it has like the pink dot, like the pink button to close it. I just don't like the way the red button looks on the smaller items. I just don't think it's that pretty, so that's why I wanted the pink. Was it the smartest move? I don't know, because the inside of, you know, usually the keys do dirty the inside, but then again, you really don't see it. It's just really, it's just so pretty. I know that they have the wallet in the same combination with the pink. So I'm gonna go to Vegas soon. So maybe I'll find the little wallet at the Vegas Louis Vuitton. I even wanted it in the, I even asked for it in the Monogram Empreinte in the red. Like I have my Pochette Metis in that red color. They didn't have that one either today. So who knows, maybe I will find it when I go to the Louis Vuitton store when I go out of town. So that is pretty much it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this Louis Vuitton unboxing video. Let me know in the comments down below which Louis Vuitton or any other handbag for that matter is on your wish list. And as always, I just want to say thank you so much for watching Be Lounge Makeup. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you go. And I'll talk to you very, very soon. Bye.